When civil defense visits your property for a fire safety inspection, what exactly are they looking for? Don't worry, we are here to break it down for you in a simple step-by-step way. Every building in the UAE, residential, commercial or industrial, must follow the UAE Fire and Life Safety Code. Civil defense officers are authorized to check if you are compliant. Here's what typically happens during an inspection. Step 1. AMC verification. The inspector will check if you have a valid AMC, annual maintenance contract, with a licensed fire safety company. They will review your documentation and recent reports. Step 2. Fire alarm system test. They will ask to test your fire alarm system. The panel should be clear of faults and detectors must function properly. Step 3. Fire extinguishers and hose reel check. Every extinguisher must be properly mounted, tagged and ready to use. The same goes for hose reels. They must be accessible and operational. Step 4. Fire pump room inspection. The pump room must be clean, ventilated and functional. Inspectors will confirm the diesel or electrical pumps work correctly. Step 5. Emergency lights and exit signage. All emergency lighting and exit signs must be operated automatically in case of power failure. These lights guide people to safety. Step 6. Evacuation plan and drill records. Your evacuation plan must be displayed in common areas. Inspectors may also ask for fire drill records and fire warden lists. Step 7. General housekeeping and fire load. Civil defense check for blocked exits, flammable material storage and other unsafe conditions. Clean, organized areas reduce fire risk. Step 8. Civil defense online portal review. They may check your compliance status on the civil defense portal to verify document uploads and certifications.